Paint palette cartoon title, Musa and Muntaha's Home Adventures, House Balloon Man and Woman main idea. Musa and Munta are imaginative siblings who transform ordinary moments at home into thrilling adventures. From constructing blanket forts, hosting a sock puppet concert, to pretending to be pirates in the laundry basket, their creativity and mischievous spirits never cease. Sparkle's character overviews. Musa, age 6, inquisitive, playful, and a bit messy. Loves dinosaurs, building things, and often acts as the boss of adventures. He frequently leads them into humorous trouble. Catchphrase, let's do it my way. Munta, age 4, sweet, sassy, and surprisingly smart. Although younger, she's brimming with clever ideas and skillfully finds solutions to tricky situations. Catchphrase, I have a better idea. House episode themes, the couch is lava. Fire, they pretend their living room floor is lava, creating silly methods to traverse the furniture without burning their toes. Invisible monster mess up, alien monster. Musa blames a mess on an invisible monster, prompting Munta to try catching it, resulting in hilarious moments. Laundry basket rocket, they transform a laundry basket into a spaceship, embarking on a cosmic mission in their bedroom. Super sibling spies, detective male sign, detective female sign, creeping around the house to spy on mom and dad. They ironically end up helping with chores in disguise. Chocolate face mystery, chocolate, someone's raided the cookies. Musa denies involvement, but Munta discovers clues, including chocolate smudged on his nose. Musical note theme song sample, short, musical notes, Musa and Munta, here they go, spinning tales from head to toe. With giggles, mess, and wild delight, every day turns out just right. Musical notes cartoon title, Musa and Muntaha's Home Adventures, main idea. Musa and Munta are siblings with vivid imaginations who turn everyday household tasks into remarkable quests. Whether building blanket forts, staging a sock puppet concert, or embarking on imaginary pirate journeys in a laundry basket, their creativity and playful antics are boundless. Character overviews. Musa, age 6, traits, curious, playful, and a tad chaotic. Loves dinosaurs and construction, usually takes charge in adventures, often leading them into playful chaos. Catchphrase, let's do it my way. Munta, age 4, traits, loving, sassy, and surprisingly clever. Even though she's younger, she always brings brilliant solutions to the table and navigates problems gracefully. Catchphrase, I have a better idea. Common episode themes, the couch is lava. They challenge themselves to cross the living room furniture as if it were lava, inventing comical strategies to stay safe. Invisible monster mess up, Musa blames the mess on an imaginary, invisible monster, while Munta humorously attempts to catch it, resulting in funny situations. Laundry basket rocket, they turn their laundry basket into a spacecraft and take on an intergalactic mission within their bedroom. Super sibling spies, the siblings sneak around the house to observe their parents, only to find themselves helping with chores, but in disguise. Chocolate face mystery, after cookie crumbs lead to mystery, Musa deflects blame, but Munta finds evidence, like chocolate smudged on his face. Theme song sample, short, Musa and Munta, here they go, spinning tales from head to toe. With giggles, mess, and wild delight, every day turns out just right.